Hi, I'm Benjamin Paul, right here in Right Dental Care Center, one of my best dentists here, and I'm going to introduce how he's doing in Hyderabad. And numerous and very diligently, patients are very happy. So I want to introduce my one of my friend here, Doctor, and he's going to be describe everything. अब सब कुछ आपको बताएंगे कि डेंटल में आपको क्या क्या करना है. Here is doctor. Introduce कीजिए डॉक्टर. कस के बोले.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Dr. Muhammad Tafimur Rahman. I have got 20 years of experience in the field of dentistry. So, what happened is, in our time, there used to be lot of dental camps. Dental camps हुआ करते थे, तो उसमें by the grace of God, I think I have seen above 15,000 patients. So, moreover, in those time, there used to be mass practice in the camps. In the rural areas, we used to aware the dental hygiene in the masses. Right now, I have got, as I said earlier, I have got 20 years of experience. In those 20 years, I have got almost 9 years of experience. I served in Ministry of Health, Saudi Arabia. Before going to Saudi Arabia, I have done lot of research in the field of dentistry. How my motto always used to be, learn from our seniors. So I have done so many experiences by working with lot of seniors, big shots of dentistry in Hyderabad. I don't want to reveal the names because it doesn't look professional. So, but in Saudi Arabia, I have got the experience of attending so many seminars of international like experienced teachers and mentors who has trained us in the Ministry of Health. So after coming to Saudi Arabia, because of my personal reasons and my passion to serve in India, so I came back to India and have started my own practice. Right now I am serving for a humanitarian hospital which is working for free for poor patients also. So that touch, if you're not giving service to the poor, then our efficiency will not be that much in the field of dentistry. So I am doing in the evenings, my clientels will be around 20 to 30 patients will be there in the evenings. So we are delivering them the beautiful and the best quality dental care. In the Right Dental Care, I am working in which is located in Red Hills area near Nampally, Hyderabad, which is near to the GHMC ground of Red Hills. Thank you.
Doctor, what are the four things a dentist does?
Basically, there are dentistry roam around four things. One is aesthetics. आपका ब्यूटी का जितने भी रिलेटेड चीज़ें हैं, जिसमें आर्थोडोंटिक ट्रीटमेंट है और कंपोजिट्स है, वेनियर्स है और आपका एफपीडीस है, जिरकोनिया क्राउन्स है, ये एस्थेटिक भाग डेंटिस्ट्री का कवर करता है. सेकेंड इज पेन रिमूवल. Whenever the patients come with pain, it's our mandatory duty to remove the pain of the patient. If you don't remove the pain, then what is the use? Third one is hygiene. So we have to maintain the best of the best hygiene. We have to give the proper instructions to the children and pregnant ladies about their hygiene. I am mentioning pregnant ladies over here because of hormonal reasons there will be lot of gum problems in the pregnant ladies. So, and among gutka chewers and pan chewers, we have to create the awareness and still some people are using dantuns, which are very very prohibited, because we have got sophisticated intraoral brushes available. And the fourth part of the dentistry roam around replacement of the missing tooth, rehabilitation of the missing tooth structures in the form of implants, in the form of FPDs, in the form of RPDs, and the most important is hygiene and replacement and the pain removal. Basically, dentistry, as I said before, it roams around four parts: aesthetics, hygiene, pain removal, and replacement. Thank you.
Doctor, what are the frequently checkup in dental department, dental systems?
See, frequent checkups is very very important, because you cannot see in your own mouth. If you visit a dentist once in 4 months, what are things are happening inside the mouth, you will come to know. So routine dental checkup is very very important. It not only prevents the decay, but it will parallelly what do you call indicate you, or shows you what are the oral manifestations such as cancers, you know, which are very much important nowadays.
And screening and polishing, how are you going to do?
So as we suppose, if somebody has purchased a bike, he needs cleaning every day, and once in 6 months he has to clean his bike from the inside and every part of it. So likewise, a dental surgeon will make you aware of the situations and issues which are coming inside the mouth. So I think regular checkup and cleaning once in 4 months is very 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 mandatory.
Doctor, what is the fluoride treatment in every dental problems?
Most of the children, they require fluoride therapy if they are having sweet teeth. मतलब कि अगर उनको मिठाई खाने की क्रेविंग हो रही है, स्वीट्स खाने की, जंक फूड खाने की, तो ऐसे छोटे बच्चों में हम लोग फ्लोराइड एप्लीकेशन थेरेपी भी कर सकते हैं. So that is one of the preventive method of dentistry
How
in
do you
children.
how do you advise children regarding the dental care system?
As I said, dentistry has got 9 branches. So it is one of the most important branch of dentistry is pedodontics, wherein we treat the children in a specialized form. So their teething, which are permanent teeth, has to erupt in a proper place. Otherwise, there will be issues. In the growing children, if they cannot able to achieve the proper food because of tooth decay and tooth pains, then how can you expect there will be a uniform growth and height? So to prevent all those issues, we have to monitor children's every 3 months, and we have to insert in a tender loving care environment to the children.
Doctor, how do you look for the diabetes patient in the dental center?
Diabetes is one of the major issues in India. It will mostly affect one of the 4 major organs of the body. One is kidney, second is skin, third is retina of the eye, fourth one is what do you call gums of the teeth. Gums are going to get affected. So you have to control diabetes. You have to massage the teeth as well as gums, not teeth. Basically, we will do brushing for the teeth, but you need to massage the gums in a proper manner. Most of the time, there will be pungent food smell from the diabetes patients. The dentist will come to know whether your diabetes is high or low by seeing the halitosis. मतलब पेशेंट का मुंह का बास जानने से ही उसको डेंटिस्ट को पता चल जाता है.
suppose an emergency is coming in the dental problems, how you're going to see this patient?
Pardon?
Emergency bleeding is
Yeah. Most of the time, there will be dental emergencies in the patients of hemophilia. If blood-related disorders are present, sometimes there will be bleeding tendencies, and most of the times, my patients, like day before yesterday, we have seen a patient. He was having cirrhosis of the liver. He was a chronic alcoholic. Because of that, he got cirrhosis. So we have to avoid certain procedures in those. We have to take proper precautionary method and do the treatment.
Doctor, what was the very difficult treatment in a dental center?
Most of the times it's very difficult to handle children. So you have to be tender, loving care, and we have to tell, show, and do method to progress the dental treatment in a very systematic manner.
Doctor, can you describe what is the tooth decay?
Tooth decay is nothing but the decalcification of the calcified structure of the tooth is called tooth decay. When it happens, there are so many theories why it happens. When it happens, if somebody is not brushing properly, if they are having sweet teeth, matlab they are having tendency to eat lot of sweets, particularly before the bedtime, then we have to give them protein therapies. Protein therapy matlab we have to improve their protein intake to avoid craving of the sweets, so that we have to evacuate this matter through the protein intake, as well as proper brushing, proper flossing, and oral garglings.
Okay, thank you, doctor. What about this gum chronic disease? How are you going to treat this problem?
There are various stages in gum diseases occur. Like it will be most of the times initial gingivitis, which will indicate you whenever a patient is brushing, he will get the bleeding, and sometimes they may get bad smell from the mouth, and it may lead to periodontal issues. Peri matlab around, dontal matlab tooth, periodontal matlab gums का जो पेरी मतलब अराउंड एंड गम्स मतलब पेरियोडोंटल मतलब टीथ, डोंटल मतलब टीथ के अराउंड जो स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं वो गम्स होते हैं. उसका जो डिजीज़ को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए हैलिटोसिस मतलब मुंह से एक किस्म की बास आती है वो, और ब्लीडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. तो इसको आप सही टाइम पर काउंटर एक्ट करते हैं तो मेजर जो डिजीज़ हैं गम्स के हैं और डीके के हैं तो वो आप काउंटरैक्ट कर सकते हो उसको.
डॉक्टर, एक बहुत सारे पेशेंट मैंने देखा है सेंसिटिव टीथ को अवॉइड करते हैं, तो इसको किस तरह से आप देखेंगे?
Sensitive teeth, most of the times it will happen because of wrong brushing technique. Brushing require a proper method which a dentist will demonstrate once the patient will come. So you have to avoid those areas which are not so much required, and you have to do vertical brushing, not horizontal brushing. Suppose this is your teeth, and you have to do brushing up and down, not like this. So this can be demonstrated when the patients are present.
Doctor, thank you very much. Can you describe how you going to treat broken teeth?
There are various fillings, restorations available, which are very firm and which are very strong, through which we can reset the tooth structure, last tooth structure. Moreover, capping and crowns and bridges are one of the best methods, one of the age-old methods available to treat those problems.
In Hyderabad, there is so many millions and peoples are root infections due to their suffering रूट इन्फेक्शन से वो बहुत परेशान है। आप बताइए उनको किस तरह से वो सरवाइव करें।
See, as I said, the best defense is to attack. So you have to take mandatory steps which are very much necessary. First is consultation. Have a proper every 3 months give a visit to the dentist. Then if he indicates there are decays, if those decays are filled right on time, then root infections, root canal treatment can be avoided.
डॉक्टर, व्हाट इज़ द ई एरोसिन? आप बताइए ई एरोसिन क्या होता है?
I think that is erosion.
Erosion.
Is a form of tooth, structural loss. Uh, it is happens uh, mostly because of acidity, and sometimes people take acidic substances such as lime very frequently. In those patients, there will be sensitivity, so there are proper methods are available through which we can avoid erosions.
You are doing root canal also?
Yes, of course, it is one of the major major tooth related issues, root canals. We are doing it.
And doctor, how you going to describe implantations?
Implantation, name itself indicates it's not the replacement of the tooth through the supporting structures. It is, we insert the implant in the jaw bones through which a single and multiple tooths can be replaced. Depends upon the situations.
In any age?
Most of the time in any age, but certain situations where implants should be avoided, such as chronic diseases, diabetes, hypertension, nephrotic nephrology related symptoms, CKD. In those patients, we have to avoid implants.
How you do the CAD and CAM technology in dental density?
I didn't got
CAD, CAD and CAM technology.
CAD-CAM technology. CAD-CAM technology is one of the latest advancement in the replacement of the tools, where it's mostly related to lab people. A patient will not be aware what quality of the treatment we are giving. So the latest advancement in the replacement of the tooth is CAD-CAM technology, which is advanced technology in replacement of the tooth.
प्लीज़ टेल मी व्हाट इज़ योर टाइमिंग इन डिटेल्स ऑफ पेशेंट आपको टाइम पर आए, आप टाइम बताइए और एक बार हिंदी में उनको ये बताइए किस वक्त आप अवेलेबल हैं।
मैं शाम में 4 बजे से अवेलेबल हूँ। 4 बजे से लेकर 11 बजे रात तक मेरी प्रैक्टिस होती है।
संडे को
मैं फुल टाइम देता हूँ। मॉर्निंग में हेल्पिंग हैंड फाउंडेशन के लिए काम करता हूँ।
और ये what are the investigation you required before you come to the dental center?
Most of the time we required dental x-rays, and in some cases breathing time, clotting time also required. So most of the time x-rays are required.
Thank you very much, doctor. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Thank you for giving